Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to use your OBS Studio to record your skin with audio in 2025. OBS is free, powerful and perfect for tutorial, gaming and presentation. Let's set it up in just a few steps. First of all, you have to go to the website to download the OBS projects. Now I am going to browser and to search the OBS Studio. OBS, and here you can see the OBS Studio. Here you can click, and also you can see the download installation, the version for Windows, Macs, Linux. Launch OBS after installation. Now I have a Windows system, then I download for Windows version. After complete the download, then open the OBS Studio, and here you can see the OBS skin recorder. Here you can see this file. Then you have to, first of all, you have to create scenes. Here you can see the scenes plus icon. You can click, and to rename, you can use the rename. So now I am writing on skin recording and click OK. Now I am writing on recording 1, and on the right hand side you can see the source panel, and here you can also check box plus icon and select display for capture. Here you can select the display capture and click the OK, and to also select the display monitor. Here my monitor model is given, so I will check and to OK, and you can see the monitor is open, and now your full screen is being captured. Want to record only Windows, you use window capture instead. Then also you can audio input. Here is source panel, you can click plus icon and go to the audio input for your mic, or then select to OK, and also select the microphone. Here is I am using my Boya microphone mini, so I select the microphone and OK. Here you can see audio input capture, which is I talking is recorded this. And also on the right side you can see the start streaming recording option, start visual camera, studio mode, settings exist. Now you can go to the settings option and also see the various option in this panel: general, appearance, stream, output, audio, video, hotkeys, accessibility, advanced. Now you can check each and every options individually. So now the main part is the video, and here you can see the base canvas resolution 1920 into 1080, and aspect ratio is 16:9, and output is 1920 into 180 1080, 16:9, and also here is the 60 fps, and here you can see the output option, and here is streaming, and here is recording. And recording path means which you record on the screen, and it's go to the file to direction E and record it, and here you can see the browser, and also recording format is MP4, and audio encoder also given. Then click to apply and OK. Hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.